Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Rajoshi, and today together we are going to learn a new technique of creating your own lens flares. Yes, let me say this, that it is very often that we need to download some lens flares from internet which we will use on many of our photo editing. But getting lens flare according to our own wishes is not so easy, and hence in this video I'll show you how you can make your own custom colored lens flares. So without wasting time, let's jump in. But before that, let's see the intro. Okay, now we are here in the Snapseed app, and we'll just click the open button at the far left side here. Now we'll select the lens flare on which you are going to edit. For me, I have downloaded this image on the far left, and I'll just select it. Now as you can see, it is kind of a yellow image, PNG file. It is a sort of PNG file but yellow in color. Now we need to make it some other color. Preferably I'll make a red, blue and pink or green. Let's see what we can do. So for that you have to do nothing, just one simple step, one defining step, that is to click the edit button, come in this option white balance, select it, and then you have to do the magic. Select the temperature one as it is selected here. We'll just tap on the screen, pull it all the way to the right to make it 100. You see it has already become orangish. We'll just click the done button. Now we'll be doing with the blue color. For this, again go to this open, select the image, the same image we selected before, and then again go to the temperature tab. I'll go to the white balance, temperature, and pull all the way left. You see I got a bluish tone. This is kind of cyan. This is kind of, again go to the temperature tab. I'll go to the white balance, temperature, and pull all the way left. You see I got a bluish tone. This is kind of cyan. And then if you want to make it much more bluish, then again go to the same step, white balance, pull it left all the way, and you see we got it a blue shade. Okay, so that's all for now, and I'll show you how to use these images in any other images in the video. I'll put the link in the description and you can see it from there. That's all for today's videos. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. We will meet sooner in the next video. Till then, goodbye.